Hi everyone, my name is Allison Grosz. I'm an attorney and a partner with Hemrick O'Malley, PLLC in New York City. Today I want to talk really quickly about something that many people know about, but not everyone knows about, and I think it's important that everybody is aware in case it applies to you. That is special accommodations for biometrics appointments with USCIS. So the Department of Homeland Security requires fingerprints or biometrics to be taken with many different kinds of immigration status applications and petitions from here inside of the United States. When a person submits their application to USCIS for immigration status, oftentimes that application will first require a person to have their biometrics or their fingerprints taken. The fingerprint appointment is usually scheduled at a fingerprint processing center of the Department of Homeland Security that is close to a person's place of residence. At these appointments, most of the time, it consists just of fingerprints being taken, a photo being taken, and a signature being given. As most people know, if they don't attend this appointment, then of course, USCIS or USCIS cannot continue to process somebody's immigration status petition or application until their biometrics are captured. So if you skip your appointment, of course, that's a bad thing, and you should not do that. If you have skipped your appointment, of course, contact a qualified immigration attorney to help get you rescheduled. So moving on. Oftentimes, people have special needs or some form of disability where they are unable to physically attend their biometrics appointment in person, or if they attend in person, they need special accommodations to be made because of their disability. Some of these disabilities may include a person being hard of hearing, a person being hard of seeing, some severe medical disability that prevents them from physically being mobile to enter the facility, or sometimes even a form of mental or cognitive disability that prevents you from being able to have your fingerprints captured. So if you are a person who suffers from a mobile disability where you are unable to enter the facility, or a disability where you need to go to the facility and have special accommodations, there are certain ways that you can request these special accommodations to be made. And believe it or not, USCIS is very accommodating for people who suffer from certain things that might prevent them from being able to have their biometrics captured so that they can proceed with their immigration application. To make one of these requests, of course, you can make it online by doing it yourself. There's certain ways that you can find how to do it online by going to uscis.gov. You can also call a phone number. There's a phone number typically provided on the biometrics fingerprint appointment notice that will be sent to you after you submit your application for immigration status. When you submit your application, you'll receive a receipt notice in the mail. You'll also oftentimes receive your biometrics appointment notice, and on the notice itself, it gives you the website you can go to or a phone number that you can call to request these special accommodations. Of course, you can also work with a qualified immigration attorney to request these accommodations for you, and oftentimes make the most convenient scheduling appointment for you to have these accommodations given, whether it's going to be in person at the USCIS facility or at your home or medical facility where you are being held. You can feel free to contact us anytime to ask questions about special accommodations, about biometrics appointments in general, or about any immigration matter. We're happy to hear from you. You can find us online at hemrick.law, or you can contact us at 833-848-783. And until next time, look forward to talking to everyone again soon.